Email marketing is an effective type of marketing that involves sending emails to prospects and customers. This valuable tactic can be used for variety of purpose, including driving conversations, promoting products, or generating interest and loyalty in your brand. Wh- While far from being novel, email is a key strategic channel or nearly every industry and is one of the most effective way of convert people into customers. In fact, research has shown that organizations receive as an average ROI of 42 USD dollar. For every dollar spent, marketing emails can fulfill survival purposes for your company or organization. Depending on their content, their main benefits include promoting products or services, building engagement with your brand, driving traffic for your website, turning prospects into customers, turning on the buyer into loyal fans. Because email is a direct line of conversation with your customers, it has advantages over there from the marketing communication fast people and more likely to see an email than a social media post, which may not appear in the feeds of prospective customers and followers. Second, emails let you send different messages based on your subscribes, individuals' desire and needs, compared to the one size fits all marketing comparison. The targeted form of communication of the more effective of generating conversation. See you.